Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan with me. Oh, my shoulder did not move. That thing was stiff. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan with me, Erin Wells. And you read that title correctly. I ordered my first vegan meal kit. Let's get started. Alright y'all, so this box arrived October 11, 2022. It comes with a recipe book which includes the week that your food is from. Each individual food is wrapped separately. That's kind of a negative to me, but also a positive. It looks great, it's clearly labeled, everything you need is organized, but of course it is a lot of plastic, but I mean, how else would they do it? Otherwise it'd be really inconvenient to make each meal one at a time. So anyway, here we go. It is day one. I am actually babysitting y'all, so this is not my kitchen. Also, the kids will be helping me out. They love this. Was actually their idea. I told them I had a meal kit at home and they really wanted to help. So we are just showing you guys everything that came inside of the chili package. I did order gluten-free this week. That's another thing about Purple Carrot. You can customize to what you would like. Do you want a low carb meal, high protein, or gluten-free? I think are the main three choices that you guys have. So yeah, showing you guys what's inside the bag, and then we are going to start cooking. So first I am chopping up some onions and some garlic. All this was included inside the box, as you guys saw. FYI, I forgot to tell you guys that seasonings are not included. That is one thing you kind of have to get creative on, because they're just going to usually recommend salt or pepper. So here I am sauteing up some garlic and onion that I put in the pan. You guys saw I put a little dash of oil there. We're gonna saute it until fragrant, and then I went ahead and switched to a pot because I knew the liquid was coming. By the way, you guys, Olivia is filming. She really wanted to, and I wanted her to have her directorial debut. So if things go in and out of focus, that's all right. She's a kid and she's doing a great job. So here we are adding in the chili seasoning and the beans to the pan. Now it's time to add in the tomatoes. Like, I really love the freedom that you can just dump in what they put in the box, y'all. I'm adding in some salt, some pepper. Feel free again to add your own seasonings. They're only going to tell you so far they're only going to tell you to add in salt and pepper and everything. That's just not enough for me in particular. So here we are adding in about 3 cups of water, just following the recipe as written. This is a little much for 2 people in my opinion, y'all. I ate on this meal for a smooth 4 days. I had to make myself finish it. It was a lot of chili. I mean, I'm not mad, you're getting a bang for your buck, I guess, but it was a lot of chili left over for supposedly 2 people. Now we are making the cornbread dumplings. Didn't like these, y'all. I don't know if we did something wrong. Wasn't a fan of a cornbread dumpling in the first place, but I definitely was not a fan of these. Yeah, you'll see.
This smells good.
Yeah. Oh, and I forgot the pepper.
Even before I get it all over my lips.
Oh my gosh, I don't know what just happened. Now this was super simple, making the jalapeno crema, so hopefully I'm saying that correctly. I had never tried this tree line sour cream before. It was pretty good. Like, it didn't taste like dairy sour cream, but it didn't have that Play-Doh taste that other brands have, so definitely will be purchasing if I ever see it in stores. This almost seemed too easy to make, y'all, but I mean, that was it. You just mix that in. Of course, I did add in my own seasoning though. Don't play with me. It didn't squeeze easily, but it was a crema and not a sauce, so can't get mad. Don't splash it.
This is just like making meatballs.
Just like making meatballs. You're doing perfect, Adrian.
One more. Oh boy, again.
Is that all of it?
Yeah.
Show the camera your hands. Adrian, show the camera your hands.
My
Monster hands.
My hands were all.
Okay, quick update, guys. This is not looking good. The dumplings, let me focus you guys. The dumplings are still super soft. I don't know what we might have did wrong, but I'm gonna leave it uncovered now. Maybe even flip it. I'm gonna kind of, oh, I can't even flip it, y'all. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give it a chance. I'm going to cover it for another 10 minutes, and then after that, I'm just gonna scrape it off and try to enjoy my chili. All right, guys, I let the timer go. Boom. It's looking like it's still not. Yeah, we're just gonna take this out. I made biscuits. Don't know what went wrong, but I'm just gonna take that out because we don't want this. All right, so I have removed the polenta, whatever that was supposed to be, y'all, dumplings. And so now we're gonna just ladle on our chili into a bowl. Boom. The color's a little off because obviously the polenta still is kind of in there a little bit, but we're gonna work with it. So boom, chili in the bowl. Put that there. We have our accidental Pillsbury vegan biscuit here. And boom, that is our chili. Let's look at the picture. Not exactly the picture, but hey, it is ours. Let's give it a taste test. All right, here we go. Just gonna go for the chili by itself. It's good. I just burnt my mouth. It was just still too hot. It just came off the stove, so that makes sense. It tastes like a traditional chili. Nothing amazing, not bad. Let me get a little bit of this jalapeno crema, I guess. Basically, we made a spicy sour cream. I like that together. That's really good. I think they actually pickled their own jalapenos. So it's a nice, even though they're pickled, it still has like a nice fresh taste. So I definitely like that together. Obviously, y'all know what a biscuit tastes like, but baby, get into it. I don't even eat that. That's good. Oh, that's good with the biscuit. It's good with the creamer. It's basic by itself, but baby, when we all join together, and look until nine eyes, okay? All right, y'all, this is meal number 1. Bye. Swerve it over.
Oh wait, I wasn't recording the whole time. I'm so sorry.
You're kidding me. It's all right, nothing. So we have green beans, broccoli.
You just dropped something.
Hemp seed, midnight grain.
Seed and
Grant, it's a seasoning. Lemon and tofu, spicy kimchi, and all right. See, no worries. Here is what the picture looks like. Our picture and our recipe. Okay, cool. They just gave us this, but we need more seasoning. All right, you can flip it over. So we're gonna put in this seasoning, but we're also gonna add our own seasoning because we're also gonna add some kickin' chicken.
And spilled it kind of everywhere.
Yep, didn't know the holes were so big. They're huge. We're gonna add in some garlic powder. And some black pepper.
Black pepper. Pour a teeny bit of oil in. Put the top on. And shake it.
All right, now we're gonna bake this for 15 to 20 minutes. All right, put some salt into the boiling water. And then we're gonna put in our, well, I just spilled half of the bag. I spilled it on the floor, guys. So,
yep.
Yeah, that's all over the floor.
Look at the regular floor, and look at the floor that Aaron messed up.
So we're gonna pour the rest in here. Actually, I'm gonna pour out some of the water since we spilled half the bag. It's okay.
For you.
Okay,
It's recording right now, so
thanks.
just to let you know.
And then we're gonna reduce heat to low and let it simmer. So upset. All right, now it is time to make the miso power dressing. We're gonna take some lemon juice, some of the hemp seeds, the miso paste, a little bit of sesame seeds, about 3 tablespoons of water, and some oil, and we're gonna put that all into the blender, and we're gonna blend that on up, you guys. And that was really it. Of course, I did add a little bit of salt. I think I added some garlic powder as well, just to add a little punch of flavor to our miso power dressing. Now, I didn't film this part, guys, but I did wash the broccoli and the green beans, and I did roast them for about 20 minutes on 350. So that is what you're going to see next. I took them out of the oven, and just like as instructed, I just squeezed over the rest of that lemon juice to give it like a little fresh citrus kick. And now it is time to build our plate. So we're gonna put the rice that we did not spill on the floor onto the plate first. Then we're gonna put in those green beans and broccoli. Then next I'm gonna layer on that tofu that we also cooked in the oven, that spicy kimchi, and then finally we're gonna finish off with our miso dressing, you guys. Okay. All right, zoom in on the plate.
Okay, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. That's how much I can zoom in.
Oh, okay, looks great. Okay, come to me eating it. All right, here we go, guys.
We're gonna eat it.
Okay.
Eating it. And then.
I can't go fast. It's fresh, vibrant, flavorful. Let me try to get some kimchi and some vegetables. I'm trying to hurry up, y'all. The camera's dying.
It's blinking even faster. The camera's dying, people. The camera's dying.
Olivia got me cracking up. I can't even tell y'all. I like this. It wasn't a lot of cooking, so it wasn't that fun for the kids. A lot of baking, but less dishes. Less dishes. It's really good. It's like every layer has a good flavor. The rice, vegetables, tofu. I like this kimchi. I like spicy. So I like this meal. I definitely recommend it. Wish I didn't spill half my rice. Okay, we gotta go back. Alrighty guys, for this meal, I am actually near Savannah, Georgia, visiting Marley and Mel. So this was pretty early in the morning, so I look a mess. My voice is groggy. Just an FYI, y'all. Y'all just try to roll with me, please. Alright, so the first instructions, I did break up the cauliflower. I gotta break it up some more. So we're making the batter for the cauliflower. So we're gonna take the rice flour, put it in a bowl, mix it with 1/4 cup of cold water. All right, guys. So I have the 1/4 cup of water. Before that, you are gonna season it. I think just with salt and pepper. Let's see. Yeah, this is a pinch of salt. You don't know we're not gonna do a pinch of salt, okay? So we're gonna use, since we in Savannah, baby, we're gonna use some Savannah seasoning. We're gonna do Gullah Geechee spice blend. Use whatever you want. You can do a pinch of salt. But again, I told y'all in these voiceovers that the seasoning is really up to you. Okay, so we're gonna put a bunch of that up in there, all right? And then we're gonna put our cauliflower pieces in. This bowl is way too small, so I'm gonna do this in batches. Okay, my cauliflower is cut up too big. It's supposed to be in bite-sized pieces. I'm making cauliflower wings. So I'm like, y'all, I'm out of flour. And I've only used half of the cauliflower. But honestly, it's okay. It's just for me. I probably won't have leftovers of the cauliflower for this one, y'all. All right, we're gonna do our rice. I am gonna add a little salt to the, that was probably too much salt to the saucepan. And we're gonna add in our rice. All right, guys, so now I'm just making the cornstarch slurry. Here's Marley, y'all. Anyway, so now we're making the sauce. I'm gonna add some oil to the pan, some of the ginger, that chili sauce. Pretty much, again, following the recipe, y'all. And then mirin, I hope I'm saying that right, have no clue. I used all the chili garlic sauce. Like, this is all they gave me. I feel like I need more. But anyway, it's time to add the cornstarch slurry. This is off now. I know it's still boiling, but I turned it off. Let me hit all of it so it can thicken. And I've also never heard of Miriam before. Let me show you guys the bottle. I know y'all didn't see it in the time lapse. Never heard of this before. Miriam. So that's interesting. I'm gonna look up what that is. So, all right, cornstarch slurry is added, so it should thicken. And all this is for the cauliflower that is also ready to get tossed, I believe. Okay, we're supposed to add all these tamari sauces too. Okay. Actually, 2 might be enough, y'all, because remember, we didn't cook all the cauliflower. Actually, might not need to do all 4. So I'm not going to do all 4. Let's get our cauliflower out. So finishing up the sauce, you guys, and we're going to add in the cauliflower that I roasted. It was actually a pretty good coating for gluten-free. I would never eat it like fried cauliflower by any means, but to be coated in sauce, I was actually pretty impressed what rice flour could do in the oven. So I definitely might try that in the future. So here I am plating everything up because this is actually me and Marley's breakfast. I know y'all. It was very early in the morning. It was gonna be a long day, and this is what I brought. This is what I brought to eat. And I definitely didn't want any chips or peanut butter and jelly for breakfast, so this is it. We did pretty good. Looks like the picture. Marley is fast, y'all. She already eaten before. You like it? Oh, wow. I haven't even tried it yet, y'all. I look crazy, so I don't know if I'm going to be on camera right now. But I am going to try it, see how I like it. So let's go. It's okay. It needs more chili sauce.
What is this?
That is a cauliflower.
The broccoli?
It's like a broccoli. Like a white broccoli.
Is it spicy?
It's not spicy to me. It's supposed to be spicy. I see that sauce, y'all, is just not flavorful enough for me for an Asian dish. Just a little bit more if they had put more of that chili garlic sauce in there. But it's not bad. Not bad at all. I would reorder this because it's light and filling. So, okay. And it's Marley approved. as we eat lunch for dinner. I mean, lunch for breakfast. All right, y'all. Okay, guys, so all this footage was shot at other people's house. I know it's been a while since I uploaded on YouTube. I missed you guys, but yes, I ordered my first vegan meal kit. I went with Purple Carrot because it's an all vegan meal kit. I'm not saying it's the best. Maybe another one has better, but this is what I went with because there was no questioning, okay? So far I love it, y'all. This is week 2. Week 1 is actually on my members channel, so if you want to join that, it's linked down below. Hit that join button. You know, they get 2 extra videos a month. Love y'all members. Anyway, but yes, y'all, so it's my second week. I have not set foot in a grocery store except for, like, you know, if I'm out of town or whatever, but it's been amazing, okay? In case I don't say it in the voiceover, these boxes cost me about $70 with tax for 3 meals, but really for me, since I'm a single woman, it's 6 meals. So I get 6 meals, $70. Don't set foot in the grocery store, and everything is pre-portioned for you. I love it. That's been open the whole entire time? I will. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.